What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to fold the Origami Diamond Flasher 2.0. This is the original Diamond Flasher, just like this. So, the difference about this one is that it's two triangles instead that split apart, and it's actually collapsible. But I don't know why you would want to do that, because all it does is just make the model worse. As you can see, it just makes it look sloppier and whatever. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to fold it, then let's continue. Alright, so let's begin wide side up, and we're going to divide it into 12s. So first we have to divide it into thirds. So fold this in front, fold this behind, and fiddle with the folds till they line up, and then pinch. Like that. And unfold. Now fold up to here. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. I'm actually speaking a little bit lower because it's 10:23 p.m. on a Friday night, and I'm supposed to post it every Saturday. So I'm just trying to get it done because I don't want to have to do it tomorrow. Oh yeah, and fold this corner up to here and make a little pinch mark, and then fold to the pinch mark, and then you're able to divide it into thirds without having to, do the whole thing again. So now it's like this. Now you're going to fold in half. Unfold, and fold to the nearest crease. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. And now unfold, and fold up to the nearest crease. Unfold, and fold up to here. Now fold up to here. And unfold. Rotate, and fold to the nearest crease, and we're going to do that all over again. Sorry, on this side. Alright, now we've successfully divided into 12s on this side, but we only have it divided into thirds on this side. So we're going to do that all over again on this side. I'm going to fast forward this part. Alright, now we have divided into 12s. Now we're going to install the creases. So what we're going to do is, let's actually mark, we don't even have to mark this. So if you fold in half, this is the center crease. And right here and here are where we're going to make two X's that will help form the two triangle things. So you're going to fold up to here. And you're going to crease on this square all the way over. Wait, actually, just to be safe, I'm pretty sure just crease right here and here. I think. Yeah, just to be, yeah, you don't want to crease right there, sorry. Don't crease right there. Now you're going to rotate and repeat. So fold up, and come down, and crease here and here. Just like that. And now we're going to go up to here. And we're going to crease from here, and we're going to crease all the way over. Almost did that on the last step. Glad I caught it. Okay, and repeat right here. But wait, I think we're actually... Oh, okay, yeah. We're creasing still the same way. I thought we had to crease that way instead. But I'm kind of dumb. Okay, now it's like this. Now let's make a crease right here and right here. So we're gonna fold up to here, go down. This is the center square on like wherever this part is, and we're going to crease not on there, but one square all the way over, like this, and repeat. Okay, now we are going to make the triangles. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring this together. And, you know, actually, let's go right here. And we're just going to make these creases right here, specifically mountain folds. Just to make the triangle things nicer. I don't know what to call them. So it's like that. And now we're going to bring these edges together, like this. And you can just support it from under the bottom, like that. And then come right here and do the same. Alright, so it's like that. And now we're going to flasherize it, and then we're going to collapse it, and we'll be done. So to flasherize it, you're going to go right here and make this a mountain fold, like that. And it's going to go like this. I don't really know how to explain it. But I'm just going to assume that you've done flashers before. But if you haven't, then just take a look. And that's what we're doing. And right here, it's just going to be a mountain fold. But if you want to get it correct on the first try, you got to start from the center. And do that all the way around. Right here, it's going to be valley, mountain, valley, mountain, valley. This one is valley, mountain, valley, mountain. So you're one off on this side. I probably confused you. I probably shouldn't have said that. If you're confused, just watch the tutorial and don't listen to whatever I say. Unless I tell you to listen to what I'm saying. I don't know. Alright, and once you do that, you're just going to wrap it up, really. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, I think. But you're just going to wrap it up, and then you have your diamond. And you are done. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed folding that. If you want to watch another video, then watch the end screen, which I actually just wanted to add just to be funny. It was one that I found for my gaming channel. I just wanted to put on there just to be funny. But comment if you like it. Anyway, here's the outro. Click up here to watch another video, and click down here to subscribe when it shows up. Where you're just going to be watching somebody eat lettuce in front of a 360 camera right now. Alright, peace out. Bye.